welcome back. If this is your first time here, thank you for joining me today. I'm Liza and I hope you consider subscribing to the channel. On my lips I am wearing Huda Beauty products. I have, I believe, what was it, Pool Party? If you guys saw my last video, you already know it's the Matte Bullet lipstick, and then Trophy Wife as the lip liner. And then on my eyes, I have the Fame palette by ColourPop. So today, you guys, we are going to be talking about Fancy Sprinkles. If you haven't seen my list of 5 brands that I want to try out this year, I will link it up above for you. But on that list is a company known as Fancy Sprinkles, and they sell all types of like decorating stuff for cakes, drinks, cupcakes, candy apples, like anything pastry wise. They sell sprinkles for, and like edible dust and stuff like that. Super pretty, super beautiful. I ordered some stuff from them. We're gonna pop this open. And then I ordered 2, I believe 2. Oh, this looks so pretty already. Okay, I ordered 2 mystery bags. They do have a subscription box as well. In my video, if you haven't seen it, I explained everything and I showed pictures and everything. But they do have a subscription box, and then they also had mystery bags. And I think, let me see if I have the prices here. No, they don't put the prices here. I bought 2 mystery sprinkle blind bags, that's what they're called, and then I bought a 4-ounce of sprinkled called Frozen Hearts, and then another 4-ounce jar called Into the Unknown. Everything was on sale, and I think I had free shipping. It doesn't tell me my total here, but it was not expensive at all, you guys. I could probably say that I spent maybe like $20-$25, and that was it. So we're gonna get into this. So these are 2-ounce jars, and then the other ones are 4-ounce jars. So these are the mystery bags. I have no idea what sprinkles are in these, but we are going to check it out. I already love like the holographic bags in it. It does say made by Fancy Sprinkles, so socialize with us at fancysprinkles.com. Not .com, sorry. At Fancy Sprinkles. I do follow them on Instagram. I have not found them yet on TikTok. I'm not sure if they are on TikTok, but now, since I'm mentioning this, I need to see if I can find them on TikTok. So let's look at the first jars that are out, and they are heavy duty plastic jars. And I believe this one is called the Frozen Heart, because that's what it looks like. This is absolutely beautiful. Definitely would remind you of the movie Frozen. It has silver, blue, teal, and purple sprinkles in it. And then the silver particles are stars. I cannot wait to put this on some cupcakes. It does give you like all the information on the back, which is cool. And then it says Fancy Sprinkles on the front. I want to say that this is the Frozen Hearts one, because that's what it looks like. But this is what it looks like, you guys. Oh my goodness. Look at how pretty. Look at that. So you see the stars, right? I love the color story on this. So pretty. Okay, and then the other one is Into the Unknown. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. How do they not like, oh, they do. Wait, did I miss it? Fancy glitter, sugar ingredients. Okay, on this one, it doesn't say the name, but on this one, it does. This one, I was correct. This one is Into the Unknown, which is the name of the sprinkle. Again, this is the 4-ounce jars, and this one has white snowflakes, blue and purple stars, baby blue, kind of like a pearly white, and teal sprinkle balls, and then like teal and blue and white sprinkles, and purple ones too. Oh my goodness, you guys, this looks so pretty. Okay, let me show you. Let's get that to focus, but look at that. Isn't that so pretty? Look at that. So pretty. So you guys, this is literally for my moms, my dads, my whoever. If you love baking if you do it for a business, if you do it out of a business from your home and you're growing like a pastry business like my cousin, this would be great for you guys. You guys have to check out Fancy Sprinkles, like just the way they look. I'm probably never gonna go back to a regular Walmart sprinkle. I'm not throwing shit at Walmart because I've always bought my baking stuff from them and like decorations and stuff. But if you could get these gorgeous, unique sprinkles from online, it would literally like hype up and advance your decorations for your stuff that you make. Oh my goodness. Like, I want to buy a bunch of these and gift them to my cousin. These are freaking beautiful, you guys. I cannot wait to like play with these. All right, so let's get into the mystery bags. Now in the mystery bags, they give you 2-ounce jars, and they literally randomly throw a jar of sprinkles in here, and you don't know which one you're gonna get. So let's see. I'm opening. Oh my goodness. These come with no name, you guys. No name whatsoever. Like, literally, these have no names. This is gorgeous, super holiday-ish. I would even use like something like this for a wedding or a baby shower. You guys, okay, so it's blue, baby blue, a darker blue. It has stars, regular sprinkles, and then the balls, and it has like the silver gold ball. Oh my goodness, you guys. Okay, I have to share this one with you. Look at this fanciness. I love it. This is so beautiful. I cannot. I'm done. I'm never buying sprinkles from anywhere else. I do want to try their edible dust for like my cousin that I'm moving with. Sometimes they have like really cool parties, like themed parties, and if we ever have like a New Year's party, I definitely want to come up with a drink with her with like the edible dust that Fancy Sprinkles has on their site. And just like they have like this powder that you could dust on the rim of like champagne glasses or whatever cup you're using. Like, I want to come up with a really nice like fancy drink and use all that fanciness. Oh my, I'm so ecstatic right now. Okay, so here's the last one. We're gonna open this one up. Oh my goodness, I can't believe I hope I don't get a duplicate. I'm kind of hoping to get something with red. Let's see. I'm literally just like guessing. I have not opened this package. You see me opening it. Let's see what's in here. Okay, I'm good. It's Halloween colors. It's like my second favorite holiday. I'm so excited. Okay, this does not disappoint at all. I can't believe I took so long to like open this package, you guys. So again, green, silver, black, purple, orange, white. Literally straight up Halloween, or like a dinosaur party, Mardi Gras, maybe like a 70s like kind of Austin Powers type of theme party. Listen, the ideas are coming. Look at this. You guys, look at that. That is so cool. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness, I'm so glad that I ordered from them. I got the 2 4-ounce jars. You can totally check out the website for prices, or just like put your email in it and they will send you emails when they have sales and stuff like that. 4-ounce jars right here in Frozen Heart and Into the Unknown. Absolutely gorgeous and beautiful. I would mix match these. Oh my goodness, absolutely love it. Imagine this one. Imagine a candied apple completely covered in this. Oh, totally gorgeous. And the fact that I can't eat candy apples, you guys, because I stopped eating apples such a long time ago after my teeth surgery. Yeah, I can't. But just, I feel like just the aesthetic of how it would look with that sprinkle on. Oh my goodness, absolutely love it. And then we have the 2 mystery 2-ounce jars that I got. And I'm trying to remember. I think the mystery bags were literally like $3.99 each. Like, they were not expensive at all, you guys. Completely amazing. And then we got these too. So you guys, go check Fancy Sprinkles out. I don't think I will ever buy sprinkles anymore from anywhere. They have a subscription box. Like, literally just go check their site out. There's so many different ones to choose from. They always drop new collections for every season. They dropped some from Valentine's Day a couple of months ago, back in February, and I wanted to get some, but they sold out so fast. They do have bigger size jars. I believe they go up to size, is it 24 or maybe 16, but I know they do have different size options, so go ahead and check them out. I will be inserting clips now using these sprinkles. I hope you enjoyed this video, you guys. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and let me know if you're going to try Fancy Sprinkles. So let's go make some cupcakes. Okay, you guys, so I got everything to do my churro cupcakes. I decided on trying out these two. So we got these beautiful ones with the stars on it, and then we got like the Halloween type. Fair warning, I am recording this where I live now. The unboxing of the bags and everything that I did with these was at my mom's house where I used to live. Finally making churro cupcakes for my family. They're coming back from Vegas today, and the girls come back from California today as well. So I'm excited. I've been in the house by myself for a week. But yeah, I'm gonna make them. I'll show you real quick like all the ingredients and putting them together, and then the final product. I also have my pan ready over here with my liners, and yes, I am using a Halloween liner because it is about that time, y'all. It's August. I found candy corn at Walmart today, and this is what we're doing. So let's get with it. Butter, sugar, mixing to light and fluffy. Cinnamon, flour, all right, you guys, so this is the finished product. I used the new Fancy Sprinkles. I have to say, you guys, the sprinkles are freaking adorable, but I will say some of the footage that I recorded making this didn't come out properly. It wasn't filmed correctly, so I have to scrape it. So this is where I'm at, but I'm finished. I left some undone because just to give my family some variety. Some may want just frosting without sprinkles. Some may want nothing on it. You get my drift. But I noticed that I am a bit rusty when it comes to baking now because I haven't done it in so long. My consistency from the cupcake itself was a little off. I think I know why, so I'll fix it next time. But they still came out tasting great. And then my frosting didn't come out as fluffy as it should, which is why it melted. And it wasn't because of the cupcakes being hot, because I let them cool off and I even put them in the refrigerator. I was off with the consistency of my frosting as well. But I'll get better at it. But this is what it would look like if you decide to do it. If you have any questions, leave me comments down below. And I'm gonna see if I can remember and try to take footage of my family trying them and get their opinion on it as well. But yeah, this is it. And the sprinkles, you guys, oh, so pretty. So pretty, especially the Halloween ones. Look at the little bats and the ghost. So freaking cute. I love it. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Love you. Be kind to one another. Be safe. Bye.